Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening, such a beautiful, beautiful evening. I just finished my shower. It is extremely hot. It's very, very hot in Paris. And we were outside in Chateau Versailles. And très sage. The horse, ding, 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 ding. The horse something, très sage, that horse jumping Olympic game. And it was extremely hot. And we have to walk 1 hour going, 1 hour coming back. There was no other way of transportation. The walking is beautiful. We walked through the forest of Versailles, that area, and it's very beautiful, very green. But seeing the performance under the sunshine was quite hot, very hot. And so I took a shower when I came back home. And I bought this. I want to show you. I did not have any single makeup. Now let's take a look how it works. And every time I come to Paris or come to France, I always buy one thing, Labello. I do not know whether this is Labello cooperating with Monoprix or by themselves. Last year I bought, the year before I bought, and this year I do not want to buy too many things, so I only bought this one. I have not yet bought the Labello one. And another thing I start to find that the world is such a cultural melting point. How do I say it? It's so mixture, so mixed, so close. It's such one word. It's kind of hard to find something unique. You can always find these kind of things, this lip balm, in any place. And in China there is, in America there is. Oh, I like it. Listen to it. There is a little clip. Yeah, it stays, not coming out. Now I pull it up. Yeah, so here is the color. I love this color. I do not have anything on my mouth. I want to do a live, so let me first put this on. It's relatively loose. It's not a very, it's only $2.19. So I am not expecting the big, a huge price, big ticket kind of quality. It's very usable and you can feel a little bit wobbly, but not falling off. And you use only a little bit of it. And there is pomegranate in it. Does not smell too much pomegranate. That is good. You know me, you know that I do not like any smell. I do not like any fragrance. I do not like any smell. and rose flower is pretty, but rose fragrance, rose perfume, jasmine perfume, orange perfume, any perfume, I do not like. I like things no fragrance, no smell, nothing, just red nose. Let me see how it looks. You can see the difference between upper and lower part. I think it's good. It's not too pigmented. It's not no pigmented. It's easy to use. So in the middle of the class, take it out, go to pick up the students, put a layer of it. Or sometimes when you travel, just put it with you. $2. If you lose it, it's not a big deal, right? Look at it. From Monoprix. Bye bye, friends. I love you. Oh, you want to see it on my hand. So it's very light, pigmented, and I like it. And the best thing is that it's very smooth and it's not heavy. It's moisturizing, but not heavy. A lot of lip gloss. I do not use lip gloss because it just feels so heavy, so oily. Heavyweight, it's like you wear a layer of plastic on your lip, not comfortable. Oh, another thing I want to show you. So, oh, I didn't put on my microphone. Sorry. Now, how do you think about it? Now I have my microphone. I will put it here and we can do, it's too close, I'm sorry. We can do a live chat, okay? I am about to do a live chat. Just before going, I want to show you this. Also, the downstairs Monoprix has a lot of things I like. This is eucalyptus, and it's so fresh. It's like mint, but has another kind, way, or accent, character of freshness. Is this available in America? It is available here. I bought it in, or maybe I should check online if they have eucalyptus, eucalyptus ricola here. I love it. Do you like it? If you want some, maybe I can carry back for you. Anyway, so I am about to do video so you can take a look how it looks like this. It smells like eucalyptus, and in China this is called eucalyptus, is called anshu. I remember the first time I ate it was when I was in elementary school, so that must be 50 years ago at the elementary school. And because I do sports, I think, because I do sports, so I make money. Each day I get 30 cents for my training, and so I bought it and immediately fascinated by the coolness, and I ate it and feel so cold. Okay, so that's about the silliness I need right now. We are going to do live video and live YouTube and live TikTok. Yeah, see you there. Bye bye, friends.